Welcome. Today, we're diving into a great new feature on WhatsApp Web that allows you to send photos as documents from your PC. This is a fantastic way to maintain the quality of your images when sharing. Let's go through the steps together so you can start using this feature right away. First, open WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser. If you haven't linked your account yet, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen, just like on your mobile app. Next, locate the contact you want to send the photo to. You can either scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar at the top. Just type in their name, and the chat will pop up. Click on it to open the conversation window. Now that you're in the chat, it's time to send that photo. Look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the chat window. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options for sharing files. From the menu, select Documents. This will launch a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where your photo is saved. Once you find the image you want to share, click on it to select it. After selecting the photo, click Open. This action will attach the photo as a document in the chat. If you'd like to add a message or caption to give your contact some context, feel free to do so. When you're ready, simply hit the Send button. And just like that, you've successfully sent a photo as a document on WhatsApp Web. This new feature is perfect for anyone looking to share high-quality images without any compression. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing on WhatsApp Web.